Hello FitNCalm yogis, we have a practice for you that is super short and really good to take a break if you've been doing desk work or studying all day long. So it will just take a few minutes and we'll open up the neck, open up the shoulders. So let's inhale, take the head back, exhale, bring the chin to the chest. Inhale, go up and back. Exhale, chin to the chest. Inhale, go up and back. Exhale, chin to the chest. Inhale, back to the center. Now slowly bring the right ear towards the right shoulder. With the right hand, give a gentle tug towards the right side. Inhale, come back to the center, left ear to the left shoulder. With the left hand, a gentle tug towards the left side, making sure that the other shoulder is not lifting and you can have a smile on the face. And come back to the center. Now once again, bring the chin towards the chest. Take the hands at the back and a gentle tug at the back of the head, as if you're trying to bring the chin towards the chest. And release. Come back. Place both the hands on the forehead and a gentle tug towards the back. And back to the center. Now slowly bring the hands forward, opening up the hands totally, taking the hands to the sides now. Now pull the fingertips towards you and let the palm go away from you. And we will gently move the hands as if we are doing a bye-bye, a tata. So make sure that the elbow is straight, the palm is going out and the fingers are pulled towards you. So your entire spine gets really nice and strong with this small thing, and even your arms. If there's any tension, especially in the upper spine, it's released with this. And slowly release. Take your hands, interlace and stretch the body up. Slowly bend towards the right, back to the center, a gentle bend towards the left, back to the center, a gentle twist towards the right, back to the center, a gentle twist to the left, and back to the center. Now bring your left hand on the right knee, look back. You can even do this in a chair as well, not necessary to be sitting down. And now the other side, the right hand over the left knee, and we look back towards the left side and back to the center. Now we take both the hands back. If you can interlace, well and good. If not, you can hold the opposite elbow and just open up your chest right now. Feel the chest opening. If your hands are interlaced, you can try to bring your hands a little up and slowly release. Now we'll bring the right hand on the right shoulder blade and take the left hand from behind, and if you can hold the hands, well and good. Otherwise you can just hold your t-shirt and let the hands come close to each other. Feel that opening in the chest. We keep sitting and we keep usually our back is rounded when we do this, so this is really good to open up your upper body. So a few moments we should do this in between. And release. Now the left hand on the left shoulder. Hold the hands if you can, otherwise you can hold your t-shirt. Open up the chest, a big smile. Feel the chest opening, feel the shoulder opening up. And relax, inhale. Spread the arms out wide and exhale, bringing the left arm on top. Give yourself a big hug. Once more, inhale, stretch out the arms This time, bring the right one on top, giving yourself a big hug. And inhale, come back. And you can get started with your work again. Have a good day. Like the video if you had a good time here. Share it with a friend. Leave a comment. Let us know how it was for you. May you stay fit and calm.